How to remove closed captions on YouTube TV. You can easily turn off closed captions on YouTube TV using a remote, mobile device, or web browser. Follow these steps based on your device. Method 1. Using Smart TV or streaming device. Launch YouTube TV app. Open the YouTube TV app on your smart TV or streaming device. Play a video or live TV channel. Select a show, movie, or live channel to begin playback. Access video settings. Press the up arrow or enter on your remote to bring up video controls. Select the settings icon. Turn off closed captions. Select captions from the menu and choose off to disable captions. Method 2. Using mobile app. Open YouTube TV app. Launch the YouTube TV app on your mobile device. Start playing a video. Tap a live TV channel or recorded video. Access video settings. Tap the three-dot menu or settings icon in the video player. Disable captions. Tap captions and select off. Method 3. Using a web browser. Visit YouTube TV website. Open tv.youtube.com and sign in. Play a video. Select any live TV channel or recorded show. Turn off captions. Hover over the video to reveal playback controls. Click the settings icon at the bottom right corner. Select Subtitles/CC and choose off. By following these steps, you can easily disable closed captions on YouTube TV across different